Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft. This is Sadhana here, and before we go into the recipe, I would like to thank you all for supporting me in this journey. If you like my recipes, kindly share it with your family and friends. Today we are going to make a very popular dish from the north, Aloo Gobi Sabzi. We are adding some oil. I've given all the measurement in the end of the video. So we'll wait for the oil to get hot. The oil is hot. I'm adding some hing, some chopped chilies. The chilies are getting sauteed. I am just adding the potatoes, and always keep the potato in the water after cutting, otherwise it will just turn color. Now the potato is getting sauteed. We will add the cauliflower. So whenever you bring cauliflower, make sure that you wash it very well under the running water. Now I'll just allow this to cook for a minute with a lid on. It's been cooking on a low flame. So we'll just stir this vegetable now. Just give it a gentle mix. It's been cooking for 5 minutes now, 5 to 6 minutes, and keep stirring in between every 1 minute, and don't add any water. At this point we are going to add onions and also some carrots. After giving it a nice mix, we'll put the lid and we'll allow this to cook for another minute. It's been a minute now. This has to be made on a very low flame. So don't add any water to it. You can just cook it with the steam water which is forming in the lid. Now I am adding some green peas to it. So I've taken some haldi powder, some dhania powder, and some salt as per taste. After giving a nice mix, we will put the lid again and allow it to cook on a very low flame. It's about a minute now. At this point, just check whether the potatoes and the cauliflower is cooked. If it's not cooked, cook it for another couple of minutes. So here I think my cauliflower has to cook some more. So I'm going to cook for a minute or two. This has been cooking for a couple of minutes actually. So at this point, if you think you need to add salt or oil, you can add. So for me, like, I would like to add a little bit oil here. But if you don't like it, you can always skip the oil part. So also taste the salt, and once it is about 80% cooked, you can add your tomatoes. And also we can add our jeera powder. Very tasty and healthy aloo matar gobi ki sabji is ready. At this point, if you like the flavor of the garam masala, you can add one pinch, but today I am not adding it, and I am just going to add some coriander, and little I am going to leave it for garnishing. Our aloo gobi matar sabji is ready. It's so colorful and it's very healthy. Friends, try this recipe and let me know in the comment box how it turned out. And also, if you like my recipes, please share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.